Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Something different and unique is what most people crave for when it comes to trying new food or recipes. So today I'm going to share one such interesting dish with all of you. These are Korean pancakes. These are actually savory pancakes which is loaded with a lot of vegetables and very simple seasoning. You can actually enjoy these pancakes either for breakfast or for a nice evening snack. I can't wait to share this recipe with you guys. So without waiting any further, let's dive right into the recipe. First, to a bowl, add half cup of Maida. This is all-purpose flour. Next, add quarter cup of rice flour. Now add 1.5 tablespoons of corn flour and quarter teaspoon of baking powder. Mix everything well and keep this aside. So we need this flour mixture to coat the vegetables. For this recipe, I've taken a whole bunch of vegetables. You can see I have a lot of vegetables here. So you can choose whichever vegetables you want for this recipe. This is half cup of cabbage that's been finely shredded. Next, I've taken half cup of purple cabbage. I've thinly sliced about 5 mushrooms. I'm adding those. Next, add about half cup of thinly shredded spinach, that is palak. And I've also taken 2 types of bell peppers, that is the red and the yellow. Next, I'm adding 1 cup of finely chopped spring onions, both whites and greens together. Now, if you don't have these, you can just use the regular onions. Next, add 1 medium-sized carrot that's been finely grated. Next, add 1 green chilli finely chopped. The green chilli is optional. If you don't want that spiciness, you can just cut down on the green chilli. Next, I'm seasoning it with a little bit of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of pepper. Add a few sesame seeds. Next, add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Mix all the ingredients well along with the vegetables. Make sure it's all well combined. You can see how fresh these vegetables are. This is a wonderful recipe that you can whip up in minutes. So you can make these delicious vegetable pancakes for morning breakfast or for evening snack. Next, add the flour mixture and mix everything well. Just make sure the vegetables are nicely coated. Now, if you don't want to use Maida, that is all-purpose flour, you can use wheat flour, that is atta, or gram flour, that is besan instead. Gradually pour little water at a time. Don't add too much. Just gradually mix everything well. It should be a nice thick batter consistency. You don't want it too runny. So gradually pour the water and start mixing well. The mixture shouldn't be too dry or too runny, just enough so the vegetables are well coated with the batter. At this point, you can check for seasoning and you can add a little bit of salt or pepper if needed. The pancake mixture is done. Keep this aside. Take a pan, pour a little bit of oil. So once the pan is heated, take a tablespoonful of the vegetable mixture and place it on the pan. I'm making 2 pancakes at a time. So once you've placed the mixture, gently flatten it. Just spread it out a little bit using your spoon. So I'm making the small sized vegetable pancakes. You can make bigger ones if you want. So make all the pancakes in this manner. Once the pancakes have cooked on one side, flip it to the other side and gently press them. Make sure the pancakes are cooked and they've come to a lovely golden brown color. Once the pancakes are done, remove them from the pan. And you can serve them immediately, nice and hot. You can enjoy these delicious savory vegetable pancakes with some nice light soy sauce, or you can serve it with some ketchup by the side. You can enjoy it as you like. These are super easy and very quick to make. We'll give you a couple of links for other pancake recipes in the description. Do check them out as well. So you can see how delicious and amazing these pancakes are. Now you can serve them as is, or you can serve them with some nice light soy sauce by the side, or if you have kids around, they may enjoy it with some nice ketchup. Do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.